Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
Raising soybeans is often a challenge on a lot of farms. During our Farm Basics time today, we're going to talk about our upcoming Ag PhD Soybean Workshop. It's January 14th.
Well, it's kind of interesting as you travel across the country. A lot of farmers will say, well, my corn yields have been going up pretty good, but my soybean yields are pretty stagnant and I need some more help improving soybean production. And that's why we're having a soybean workshop to talk about how soybeans could be the crop that could really be the profitable, high-yielding crop you're proud of.
So we're going to discuss everything from drainage to fertility, weed control, insect control, disease control, planting populations. Almost any question you've got about soybeans, this is your day. So our Ag PhD Winter Workshops, we host these for free just to say, hey, thanks for watching us here on Ag PhD. We'd love to talk with you in person. When you come to one of our Ag PhD workshops, we're going to give you an agronomy book. We're going to give you a great meal. And hopefully we're going to get all your questions answered on whatever topic it is we're discussing for that day. And on January 14th, it's all about soybeans.
Well, there certainly are a lot of decisions along the way raising that soybean crop, and we're going to talk about each one of those as it goes from seeding all the way through the season. Give you some tips, give you some different options. There isn't just one right way to raise great soybeans in your area.
So again, it's the Ag PhD Soybean Workshop. It's coming up January 14th right on our farm. That's the site of the Ag PhD Field Day. We've got the Morton Center there so we can host hundreds of people all in one location. So just check that out at agphd.com under the events tab. Again, the Ag PhD Soybean Workshop. We'd love to have you join us.
Well, one thing you probably won't hear about at the Soybean Workshop is this particular weed of the week. It's a tough one to get under control. Can you identify it?